How's it, guys? It's Salomon from Salomon Brothers, and we have this amazing aeroplane behind us. It's a 4-seater single prop aeroplane. It's called a Slinger, and we are here at Virginia Airport, which is in Durban, if you guys don't know that. This client, he is a client of ours for quite some time now. We've looked after his motorcycles, his vehicles. If I'm not mistaken, I think we've done 8 vehicles for him, so thank you so much. So what we're doing today, we are, excuse the sound, we are obviously at the airport, so there's a bit of noise. We are polishing this aeroplane, and we're doing a 2-stage polish. We're trying to get a little bit of refinement in it, and definitely some slickness. And then we are going to be applying a ceramic coating. What coating? It's the same coating that goes on your cars, guys. It's an incredible, amazing product. It's called 3.0 by C Quartz. That's the UK. So that's going on the painted surface throughout the vehicle, throughout the airplane, excuse me. And then on the glass, I'm going to be giving it a quick little polish, getting it ready for the coating, and then we're applying fly-by-forte. So guys, if you have an aeroplane, a boat, a vehicle, something that needs love, we're the people to give a shot. Thank you. Come and get some. Hi guys, thank you so much for joining us at part 1 of us polishing and ceramic coating this aeroplane. Please be sure to join us with part 2, where we'll be polishing the glass and ceramic coating the glass and doing the interior.